Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 5-46K Lubricator Ram Pressure Spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 5-46K Lubricator Ram Pressure Spring for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Let's start by file, nope, not open, wrong one. File, new, MMGS. Okay, let's go front plane. We're going to do a circle. It's going to be, let's go, that one. It's going to be 21. That's going to be exit. So now we want, let's just highlight that one. I don't think it needs to be highlighted, but let's try that. And we're going to go, nope, wrong one. Curves, nope, curves, thank you. Helix, perfect. Now we want height and revolution. Remember that last time, beautiful. And that's going to be 28.5. That's going to be 12 coils. And that's going to be done there, beautiful. Now let's go to our reference plane. We're going to click on that line and click on that. Oh, let me just clear that one. There we go. Sorry, just click on the point is what we need, not the helix, because otherwise, yeah, it's curving. Okay, let's now go to sketch. Don't need normal to. You can if you want to, if it makes it easy for yourself. Now we want to feature. Oops, sorry. Got ahead of myself. That's going to be an area of, should be 1.5. So 22.5 minus 3, sorry. 19.5. Oop. That's weird. 3. Oh, it went weird there for a minute. There we go. Okay, let's go min center. There we go. Okay, so it's feature. We want sweep base boss. So the circle's going to be that one. And the helix is going to be that one. Deck. Why'd that go? I mean, it's not right. Oh, let me get rid of the sweep. Get rid of you for now. Go back to this one. Actually, it's showing it's not defined. Oh, look at that. Me lock these two in. I can't. Okay, let me get out of that one. Let me hide. Yeah, that sketch. Thank you. Let me. Okay, it's locked in. No, it's always there. Don't worry about it. Let me just hide that one in case that was screwing up. So let me try this again. Sweep boss base. Yeah, it should be that one. The circle should be that one. The path should be that one. Ooh. That's definitely interesting. Not quite what I wanted. Why is it doing that? Oh, circle cleared. Let's open up the one we had before. That one. No, this one now, sorry. Pressure spring. That's sketch. That's helix. Cancel you. Let's go over it. Yeah, that's fine. Why is it doing that? That's weird. Let me try. Let me just do this and resave. No, I want to make sure I get this right. Let's do that one. Revolution. Let's make revolution. Make that 120. Just spread it out a bit. There we go. Oh, because it's overlapping. Okay, so let me go to this one. Let's change that to 1.5 because that's why I had trouble with the other one when it's that size. 1.5. We go our U. We go back to this one sketch and get rid of that one. Okay. There we go. Yeah, that's definitely better. Let me just hide you. Thank you. Let me go to not front, sorry. Top. No, actually, yeah, top. That's what I want. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there. Oh no. I've clicked the right button. It's going to go. Yeah, it's going to go that way again. Okay, put that one back. We want that one to be. Let me just put it that way for now. There we go, something like that. Now, if you look at this one here, actually, if I go there, where's the cursor? There is. See, it's not a big gap there, but it's about the same. It's not quite right, but it's about the same. There's that flat surface again. I think that's, yeah, I don't know why it's doing that, but that is pretty much what we're after. So that is done. Yep. Yeah, actually, this is what I was going to show you. Yeah, see, it's got 22.5 outer, 19.5 inner. So that means the inner one. Let's have a look at something. Let me go to front. I'll give you the wrong one. Normal. Front. Let me do a construction circle. Let me just do 2 circles. Make them construction. That way, if I don't delete them, it's not going to boost anything up. Oh, sorry, don't want that. Construction. Now, the other one is 19.5. The other one is 22.5. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Okay. That is that is 3 difference, but remember that's 3 different the whole thing, not there. So that's what I was doing wrong. If you left a comment on that, I do apologize. I'm recording a lot of these in one go. So whatever the difference is in there, then halve again, because that's the distance from there to there. So I was taking distance between those two, and then that there. But remember, this distance is from one side circle to the other. So that means whatever the distance is between, it's got half for there. Right. Okay, delete that one. We don't need it. Oh, let me get a sketch first. Okay, so that's why going half always seems to work. Okay, that's correct. Glad we sorted that out. As I said again, if anyone left a comment on that, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. I just might not have read it yet as I'm recording this episode. All right, we solved that problem. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. I like to keep these errors in, or these bloopers. That way, if you come across an issue yourself, seeing what I did wrong could help you in that situation. That's why I like to have, that's why I don't like to have my videos polished of everything going right. I could go back, re-edit that and have it perfect. Again, I'm not knocking the channels that do that, because there's some great channels out there and I do enjoy them. But I just like to do things differently. So thanks again for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, and subscribe. So this is part 5-46K Lubricator Ram Pressure Spring done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I'll see you next episode. Everyone take care. I'll catch you then.